We are interrupting this program to deliver an urgent announcement to all citizens of Earth.
Good evening, listeners. Thank you for joining us on the Dude to Dude podcast. Our regular programming is paused for a special news update. An extraordinary event has unfolded in downtown Rochester. Eyewitness accounts and our reporters on the ground describe an unidentified object making an unexpected appearance. For the latest, we turn to Daniel at the scene. Daniel, what can you tell us?
Thanks, Callum. The scene here is one of mixed confusion and fascination. Authorities have secured the area around this mysterious object, which landed just about an hour ago. Descriptions from those nearby before the area was cordoned off mention a sequence of numbers glowing on its side. But no one's sure what they mean. I spoke to eyewitnesses who also reported a bright flash and a loud noise as the object arrived. Officials are keeping the public at a distance as they investigate. Back to you.
Appreciate that update, Daniel. We remind our listeners to stay clear of the area and follow this developing story through our updates. Experts from the local university's astronomy department are en route to offer their analysis. On the line now is Dr. Robert Laser, a notable figure in astrophysics. Dr. Laser, given these unusual reports, including the numbers seen on the object, what might we be dealing with?
Callum, it's crucial we approach this with an open mind. The presence of numbers could suggest this is not a random event, perhaps a message or a code meant to be deciphered. Without seeing it myself, it's difficult to speculate further, but this could be an unprecedented discovery. My team and I are eager to study this object firsthand.
Thanks for your insights, Dr. Laser. We'll reconnect for more information as you gather it. To our listeners, keep an eye on our digital platforms for updates. Remember, it's critical to keep a safe distance from the incident site. Authorities are thoroughly investigating to ensure public safety. This situation is evolving rapidly, and we're committed to providing accurate updates. We'll resume our standard programming, but stay tuned for any major news. Stay safe, Rochester, and keep an eye on the heavens. Good night.